Well, everybody, I'm back, and we are in the midst of a great yooper snowstorm. It looks like right now we've got about almost a foot there, with a little more to go. I'm going to probably walk out here and show you some of what we have. I just got done running the snowblower. It's a far cry from yesterday when there's only just a few inches. Yeah, that's about a foot there, and it's piled up pretty good at the road here. I'm going to turn around and face towards the house. And it's a bit of snow, and as you can see, it's still coming down. And believe it or not, there is more on the way. And all the schools are closed, but all the kids are happy with the snow day. Well, I'm going to go into town here shortly, and when I go, I'm going to shoot some video and post it for y'all to watch. There's a car coming up the hill in the snowstorm. Well, at any rate, I'm going to go inside and warm up. I just got done cleaning the driveway, and more to come later.